Hello friends, so welcome to Java programming using BlueJ. In this tutorial, as we mentioned that we are going to code Hello World program. So now we are coding it into the BlueJ. So as you can see in my computer screen, this is the icon of a BlueJ, this blue color bird. Now we are going to double click onto it. So our program is getting started. I have 5.1.0 version. You might be having the same or a bit higher version from me. Depend when you're downloading it from where the source. Now I will be going to create a new project for you. I was already working on some of the classes. These all are these orange color boxes are nothing but the classes. And let me create a new project for you. I will first go to this project tab, and then I will go to the new project. It is asking me that what project you wanted to create. Let's say we are creating our first program. So I am writing first program. So this is our the name of the project file, and this will be the same name we have to use for our class also. Okay, so I'm clicking on OK, and you can see it's generated a new window for us. This is a text document. As you can see, if you will double click onto it, you will find some text here. For example, you can fill it out if you want, like what is the title of your project and everything. This will be very helpful to have this kind of information when you are writing the code in your examinations of ICSE boards. So where all these things will be awarded with the marks. I'm closing it for of now, and I'm going to new class from here. This is a new class button. I will be going to click onto it, and I have to give the name of the class. As you remember that our name of the project was first program, so we will be going to name it first program only. And while naming it, we have to just remember that we will be going to follow the Pascal convention, that is the first letter of a word will be the capital. Let me write out down first here. Oops, I have written lowercase. First program. Okay, you can see that same as the you can also see the name of the class here, also the name of the program, which is BlueJ colon first program. It's written there, and now you will be going to press the OK button, and now you can see this so many lines are coming of this slant lines, and this orange color box, which is nothing but our class. So these so many slant lines are coming because this project is not compiled. If we will compile this program, then only 2 lines will be left. We are double clicking onto it, and you can see that this is generating the auto generated the code for us, but we didn't need this code. I wanted to explain you from the very basic. So we will start writing a program together from the very basic in the starting. So let me press Ctrl A. It will select all, and then I will be going to press the backspace, and it will be delete all. As you know that we have to start, and we have to start with the class, because in Java we have everything in the class only. So let me write class here, the most important element of Java programming. And what will be the name of the class? Exactly, you got it. That's the name of the project, which is nothing but the first program. Let me write out first program here. So this is our main class, right? Which will be consisting of the main function. Now these 2 curly brackets, which is the start and the end of the class, and you will observe that when my cursor is between these 2 brackets and I'm pressing the enter key, this blue color area is getting expanded, and this is because it is saying that the area which is between both these 2 brackets, which is the starting bracket and the ending bracket, is nothing but the class area. Now inside the class area we will have the main function. So I'm writing here public static void main, and again I have the 2 brackets, starting and the ending bracket. Now I'm doing the same that I did with the class. I'm just giving some space between the area so that I can write the code. Now you can observe that the main function is having yellow area, where the class was having the blue area, and you can see that the blue area and the yellow area, the relationship between both of them is such that the yellow is inside the blue, which means that our main function is inside the class. Exactly. So now let me write down system dot out dot println, which is nothing but the line to print to console, and we have to write the argument, which is we are putting something in this bracket, that is nothing but we call it arguments. We have to write down them within the double quotations, because it's a type of a string we are passing. So let me write down hello world here. Hello world, let me put exclamation mark like that only. Now let's run this. Before running, let's compile it. First we have to compile, then run it. This is how we do in Java. So you can see that here class compile, no syntax error, which means our program is solid. We didn't have any error for of now. Let me close it out, and now you can see that all those lines are vanished, which was there in the start, and only 2 lines are left here. You can see that this is happened because we compiled it, right? Now I will be going to hover over my pointer here onto this class, and you can see the hand icon. Now I will press the right button of the mouse, and then I will go to the second option, which is void main, and after that you can see that my class is running and this is hello world printed. Let me clear the output. You can also clear if you don't want to clear, it's up to you. Closing the console, and now again I just wanted to open it, and I want to do some modification in the code so that we will understand that what is the difference between println and print function. Now I will be going to delete this hello world from here, and I will be going to copy this entire line, system.out.println. Let me copy it, Control C, and paste it for sometimes, maybe for let's say 4 times, right? And let me write some numbers inside it, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One modification I will do, which is instead of println for 3, I will make it print, and println for 4 I will just make it print. Now you can observe that 1 and 2 are having println and 3 and 4 are having print. Now you think about it, you can pause the video and think for a while that what will be the output. Just think about it. Now let's run the code, compile it first. Yep, no syntax error. Close class, right click of the mouse, void main. You can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see that 3 and 4 are together. 1 is on the different line, 2 is on the different line. In fact 3 is on a different line, but 3 and 4 are together. 4 is not on the different line. Why this is happening? Let's check our code again. As you can see that I already told you what this println function will do is it will be going to print the statement which is written here, which is inside the double quotation. It will print it, and after printing it will move the cursor to the next line. Now the cursor is on the next line. That is the reason why 2 was printing to the next line. Now similarly in the second line, which is system.out.println 2, we are having ln here, isn't it? So what ln was doing, it was printing the 2 and it is moving to the cursor to the next line. So that's the reason 3 was printing to the next line. Now you can see that println is there and 3 is there and 4 is there. 3 and 4 were printing together. The reason why 3 and 4 were printing together, because we use print here and print here. We didn't use println there, right? So it was coming to the one line only. So let me do one more modification, and you have to tell me that what will be happen after this. I have written println to the first and print to all of these, right? Let's you think about it, what will be the output. Let us run the code. Our console is already open. Okay, so you can see that 2, 3, 4 are coming together and 1 is coming next to it. Let me clear and run it so that you will understand it better. Let me do it again for you. See, the 1 is coming on the first line and 2, 3 and 4 they are coming onto the next line, and they are coming in one single line, right? If you wanted to have some spaces between 2, 3 and 4, simply you can do one thing. You can go ahead, and what you will do is you will be going to give some space from here. This space will also be going to reflect on our code, right? Let me do some spaces. You can see this, I have given some spaces, and this space will also reflect on our code. As you can see that I hope we are, yep, void main console, where are you? Yep, it's there. You can see now the spaces are coming before 2, before 3 and before 4, because we have given the spaces in our double quotation. Yes. So that was all about the video. I hope you enjoyed. We are coming with so many tutorials for your examinations, so do enjoy them. Thank you so much.